Welcome to this course on the science of happiness. The goal of the course is to learn and apply science-based techniques to live more happily. It consists of two parts. First, there are videos that explain some background information and give you insights that happiness research has provided over the last decades. And secondly, there are exercises that are based on psychological research and designed to help put the research findings into practice. The course is designed to go through in 30 days, but of course that's up to you. The ideal way though to engage in this course is to do one lesson per day. It will only take maybe 5 to 10 minutes each day. If any questions come up throughout the course, or if you have any comments or suggestions on what could be better, please feel free to message me. I respond to every message and I'm happy for you to reach out. And that's already all, and I hope that you will enjoy this course. Let's start.